I turned the fan stand into the most overkill camera setup. So here's my stand, the stand I built. I'm gonna add this to hold the tablet here, and then there's this touchscreen, so it's upside down so the ports are accessible, and it should be done. At least this part should be done. Got our first problem. So I can't put this like this, as this screen needs to go up and down. Okay, so then I just take a landscape. Yeah, not quite. This won't fit. For an inch. Piece of wood from the kitchen. And yeah, I cut here and added to it, and then maybe paint it or something. No, it doesn't fit. Come on, man. Yeah, so I locked the holder on the small setting. My bad. Got this fixed. Whoa, that's not supposed to happen. That's disappointing. That's disappointing. You see the wooden joint? It's like breaking. Yeah, cut a piece of metal. Like it was from this bracket, like rotting. So I cut it, and now I'm going to change it. Put it here, essentially, yeah.